Hi everyone, I'm gonna present you today something in the road freight that is a little bit more challenging, where we have multi-pickup, multi-drop cargo, and we're gonna use dry van, and the route is from Boston. We have a stop in New York City, then Washington DC, and then we arrive to Miami. Now we're gonna add some cargo that, as mentioned, is gonna be a little bit more complex. So first one in depot in Boston, we're gonna have drop off of, let's say, 5 cargo boxes to Washington DC, and then we're gonna have something that we're gonna also drop in, let's say, New York City. Okay, and we do now. The problem here is the cargo that is going for stop number 2 is blocking the cargo that it should be unloaded in stop number 1, as you can see here. However, as we develop an algorithm, this will sort it out properly, but we'll see that in a bit. So I want to add a little bit more complexity. So let's say we have something that we're going to pick up in New York, and we're going to drop it off in, let's say, Miami, and we have something in Washington DC that we also going to drop in Miami, let's say also 10. Okay, so it's already automatically changed things, so it allows the carry through cargo to be in the optimal spot, but let me click here, and now auto layout has been implemented, where we will have boxes placed in the optimal location, so it allows per stop things to be loaded and unloaded without rehandling or manipulation, so we don't damage the goods, or we don't break some kind of agreement with the customer if there is in place that only in their presence we can manipulate goods. So this is now the snapshot how it looks like per stop, and you can see here in Boston, this is the starting point. When a truck leaves Boston, our depot, this is how things should be placed for the optimal loading of the boxes. Stop number 1, as you can see here, everything is placed. So our cargo, we got 15 boxes delivered, and here's our carry through cargo, where these are the doors here. So basically we could easily unload the boxes and load new ones without moving this cargo that is going for the next stop. And then here those boxes are delivered, new ones are onboarded, and finally in Miami everything is delivered. And as you can see here on the side, we can see per stop snapshot what is the state and utilization of our truck. Can we add more cargo, or is it overweight, or where is the center of gravity, like also, or axle load. So as you can see, it's being edited in real time. But yeah, this was just showcasing how multi-pickup, multi-drop cargo can be easily placed in the optimal spot, so it doesn't prevent us, it doesn't block any other cargo being loaded or unloaded at different stops. And I was mainly talking about these 5 here. As you can see here, these 5 boxes, they're actually the main, the biggest challenge in this for this route and this cargo. So I just wanted to showcase how easily these have been solved within a couple of minutes.